16 July 2026. So we are having a pullback structure today, and the market has swept the Asian session and rejected and left a sweep candle, a liquidation candle. So we are planning on using the liquidation candle as entry today, down back to the um this demand zone right here. This demand zone, you are trying to do like this, come down here. So that is our plan for this morning. Hope price comes back to tap us, because there was something in the 1 minute that I ignored. I was looking for a shift in the 1 minute. Let's go back to the 1 minute and see it. So this is the 1 minute. This is the 1 minute time frame. So we are waiting for price. So I waited for price to shift before I looked for an entry. So there was something that happened right here. So that's where I wanted to enter the market, but I just decided to wait for market to shift right here. Then when it shifts, it come back to demand zone and dump. But it just came back this line here and reverse. So hopefully it's come back to clear the liquidity resting here, even down to clear the liquidity here, but it should not go above this place, because that is an invalidation line. So let's hope for the best. We'll be back later. As triggered on TradingView, but it hasn't triggered on my FT5. So price the later enter there, but this is a low probability trade. It's a low probability trade. So we hope for the best. Hope for the best. So market has been moving very, very smoothly, structurally in the 1 minute time frame. Giving us after the shift, give us a BOS, give us another BOS. Although I was not tapped on my live account, I was tapped on my profile because I moved my profile entry back to the place, back to the last entry point, below the last entry point, somewhere around this place. Yeah, somewhere around the place. So it came back to trigger it over here. So I've been triggered on my profile, just remaining my live account. Don't know if market will go back to trigger everybody or start moving. Don't know about that. Don't know about that for now. So let's move. So let's move our. Let's move it over to this side. The market is currently right here. Look at where it triggers from. So market has low. It has already given us another shift here. They are giving us another shift. There's no a shift to sweep to sweep. So let's see if price will go back. So that is it. This is a nice movement. Nice move. So let's see what the 5 minutes is doing. Let's see what the 5 minutes is doing. So this is 5 minutes. So 5 minutes has yet to give us a shift. So he has given us a shift, a 5 minute shift, a 5 minute shift. Wow, nice one. A 5 minute shift. That was the last low. That was the last low. 5 minute shift. 5 minute shift. So this place is like is this place here look like a liquidity spot. So price can go back and play it for moving downward. So don't so that is price for you. Price needs liquidity to pull down more. You need to clear out some liquidity before it can move. Before it can what move. Business, like I said, market will go back to pick our orders. So there were liquidity, resting at this point, a trend line liquidity at this point. So markets did this, did this, did this, and came back and took it out. So we are selling now. So let's go to the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes. So this is the 5 minutes. So this is the 5 minutes, 5 minutes. So we have shifted. And now we have a break of structure here. 5 minutes break of structure. So hopefully we get to this second demand zone. Take here as take here as take these points as liquidity. Take that point as liquidity. So that is it, guys. That is it, guys. So thank God for today. Hopefully, thank God for today. Back we have 1 or 2 sessions. So we're still on the chat. Price is currently on a set pressure. Waiting break of structure to the downside. Waiting break of structure to the downside. So let's hope for the better. Although in my MT5, my trade is not at this level. It's somewhere in between here. Somewhere between here. So I just put it here and we MT5 because that's where I'm expecting price to get to. That's what I'm expecting price to get to. So still waiting to see what price we do today. So sit down, sit back and relax. This is the close of New York session. Price has not yet gotten our TP. It's entered the 15 minutes demand zone that is inside this premium level. So I've set him, but we are, we don't, when it comes to trading, we don't feel that this zone cannot bounce the price, but it may, but I'm certain that it's supposed to blast by it and come to this second guy over here. So that's why my TP is over there. If it can blast pass through it, then it's a nice win for us. Nice win for us. This side. So we are hoping for it to get to yeah. Yeah, right. So that is it. That is it. Let's do five arrow. So I've executed on my MT5, my live account, and my pop. They are riding to CP. I'm going to break even right now because the market has given us a lot of breakout structures in the 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame. So that breakout structure, we need to last pass it to take out this zone completely. Last breakout structure, 5 minutes breakout structure. That is it. This is 5:40 already. So we have another breakout structure. So what just need for price to play play this low, play the price can clear it, then our TP is offsetting. So hold more. Let's hold more. Although you look at the higher time frame, 1 hour, there's liquidity. This where the liquidity is. There's liquidity there. There's even one other block. There's this zone here too. Price has to come inside here. Price has to just come inside here. That's where price is drawn to. On the 4 hour, 4 hour too. So look for the best. So there's another block there. There's another block there. Price can blast through the other block or use the other block. But it's not setting. Setting. Oh my god. Few pips to TP, few pips to TP. Yes, few pips to TP. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, those few pips to TP. And see it here. Just few pips to TP. Yeah. Within here. So this is where I close the market for today. Did want wish one so theory arrow plus trade almost 1 to 4. I even did 1 to 4 something, but I wasn't in the market to close it when it did 1 to 4. I was targeting 1 to 5. So I'm done for today. The market's already losing. There's no momentum in the market anymore. Although it will go down to here, but it's till tomorrow or till when market opens. But for now, I'm done.